working on the chicken tractor. We're going to get the caging stapled up, get it a little tighter. We're going to get a cover on it, and we're going to get some wheels on one end so it's a little easier to move. So let's get started.
Fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen. Små på stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är fullfest hela dagen.
Gonna hang our feeders and waters, and to do that we're just gonna use some little eyelet hooks or little screw hooks like this. I don't really know what they're called. Some carabiners and some chain. Then I'm gonna run my paracord through this hole and around that hole over there, and that'll be our strap, this end of our chicken tractor. Yeah, you guys want to grab a chicken? Gotta get something on your feet. What are you doing over here, boy? You're a mess. Got chocolate milk on your shirt. You want to carry a chicken? Go take your helmet off and put it on the porch. Dude, this boy just hit with my line. What'd you hit? Yeah, did you hit my rope? You can't see? In your defense, it is camouflage rope. Lift lawnmower up.
Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love. Good morning. Good morning, sun.
There you go. Go ahead, Elmer. Go set her back in there. So we grab our other two and our ducks, and let these guys all get settled in.
got it?
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of what we're doing, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Peace.